Free SEO tools you should be using. Free is awesome. Thankfully, there are a ton of free tools in the SEO world. I want to give you a go-to collection of the top free SEO tools. These are intuitive, slick, effective, powerful, and best of all, they're absolutely free. Number 1, Google Analytics. Google Analytics is to the online marketer like air is to the human being. If you're not yet using Google Analytics, I recommend that you begin doing so as soon as possible. There is no other data source that provides high quality and detailed information like Google Analytics. Number 2, Google Search Console. If Google Analytics is the air that an online marketer breathes, then Google Search Console, formerly Webmaster Tools, is the food that eats the online marketer eats. The very focus of the tool has to do with search and optimization. Number 3, Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is an all-in-one SEO tool designed to help you win the game of SEO. A big part of SEO success is knowing what you're doing, what your competitors are doing, and how to adjust your strategy to take advantage of holes in the market. Number 5, SEO Workers Analytics Tool. The analysis tool allows you to plug in a website URL in any website, even if it's not yours, and generate a report. Also, it provides background information on the data. The report is quick and very detailed. What are some other SEO tools that you found useful? Comment below, and for more information on how to automate your life, be sure to visit us on lifeofautomation.com.